Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into how to use Monday.com for time management. So let's get started. The first step is to set up your workspace. This is where all your projects, tasks, and team members will reside. You can think of it as your virtual office. Navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Add Workspace. Name it according to your project or team. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space where you can manage all your tasks and deadlines effectively. Now that we've done that, it's time to create your first board. Boards are essentially your project timelines. You can create a new board by clicking on Add Board in the workspace you just created. Boards help us organize our tasks, deadlines, and team members in one place. It's like having an interactive project timeline at your fingertips. The next step is to add pulses, or tasks. Click on the Add Pulse button and start adding all your tasks. Don't forget to assign each task to a team member and set a deadline. This is important as it ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for and when it's due. Now you may wonder, why are we doing all of this? Let me explain why this matters. The beauty of Monday.com lies in its ability to visualize your entire project workflow. By setting up workspaces, boards, and tasks, you're essentially creating a visual roadmap of your project. This allows you to track progress, manage time effectively, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next up, let's talk about updates. Click on a pulse, and you'll see an Updates section on the right-hand side. Here you can add comments, attach files, or tag team members. This is extremely useful for maintaining clear communication and documenting task progress. Finally, don't forget to make use of Monday.com's timeline view. This gives you an overview of your project timeline, allowing you to quickly identify bottlenecks or delays. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your project schedule. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Monday.com for time management. Remember, the key to effective time management is organization and clear communication. By using Monday.com's features effectively, you'll be on your way to managing your time and projects like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your project management process.